Hey, is Google finding what it needs on your homepage in order to place your funeral home toward the top? If your homepage isn't structured in a specific way, chances are Google isn't going to prioritize your site. So here's how you should have your page structured. Start with a strong header that immediately tells people they're in the right place, right? Next, your obituaries should be front and center. This is oftentimes the first thing that people look for. So make sure that they're there. Next, make your services or service categories easily accessible with clear links to each of those detailed service pages. Then focus on the areas that you serve. There are so many funeral homes that serve numerous towns, cities, sub-cities, and don't mention them on their website. Highlight who you serve with an area focus, letting people know and understand that you service their unique needs. Every one of those areas should have their own page. And don't forget the about part that humanizes everything, brings it all together, links to the About Us and Careers page. And finally, keep your homepage fresh with the blog feed. Every time you post new content to your blog, this piece should update automatically, showing Google more activity. Implement these elements and watch your website rankings soar. Hit the like button if you found this helpful.